Hi guys, let me show you one new kit from ICM. It has some advantages and in the same moment disadvantages. Yep, we'll say about them later. This kit might be interesting for you or maybe not, but let's find out what new ICM proposition may gives us in their box. And yep, only 156 parts, not big model in general, but they say that this is the first model, first variation of Humvee in their catalog, and it's accurate. Well, let's open the box. Well, as usual, it is expected to appear more variation of Humvee from ICM. Now most of the modeling companies produce a lot of variations of the kits on the same chassis. At least two painting options available, we can see on the side on this box. Okay, one big package with the gray details and some other details, instruction and some information about their acrylics, which I also use in my work. I love ICM models because they produce some unusual kits. They're very good in work, in assembling and not too much expensive. But this Humvee actually not unusual. It's basic version. If we put all details on a table, we find here 5 sprues from grey plastic, 1 from transparent plastic and package with vinyl tires. Let's talk a little about plastic. The most yummy part, body parts, hood, main body section, side panels, well actually they highly detailed, I can say. This plastic is soft, it is very comfortable in work. Well, I love how looks these details. One more sprue with main frame represented in one piece, so that makes our work a little bit easier. Front frame for windscreen, other parts of the body, doors, rear section parts. And yep, this is a off-road car, so it's not a truck, and that means that in this scale, in 1:35, it is not big model, but not too much small. The third and the last one, big sprues with the grey details, and we can find there mostly smaller details, actually. Not so many small details, quality of them I can say good, suspension parts, front frame with headlights and so on. Most of these parts would be connected to the frame and would be visible partially if you turn up the vehicle. Not good news, under hood section presented in this kit partially. And 2 small sprues with the grey details. Here we can find discs, suspension springs, 2 seats for all vehicle and some minor details. That's it. Also we have transparent details from plastic. They give us windscreens and headlights with a reef-link. That's good. Connection with transparent details as good as with other details from this kit, I guess. And 4 vinyl tires. Well, they're very simplified, no any markings, only main protector, just tires. What good, decal includes different markings and technical stencils. These decals should be good in work. Okay, that's all about the details, so what we can say about painting options, and yes, only 2 of them available in this kit. First one, 3-colored, typical camo with a green, black and brown colors. Not bad option, and second one, which I will choose, typical desert plain camo. The same as on a box art of this kit. So what the conclusions? about this new fresh kit from ICM that I guess will be available in local modeling shops. Simple kit in 1:35 scale. I guess we can call it a weekend model because a small amount of details. There are a lot of other Humvees from other manufacturers, so this isn't unique kit, but it is have to be not expensive and very good in work. Unfortunately, no photo-etched parts, no some extra hyper detalization, no additional stuff or armament. At least they can put here some, I don't know, M4 rifle and some boxes, but no. But I think we definitely see advanced versions of this Humvee, of this kit in the future, even this year. I can say with features, with armament, even I guess there will be tow version of Humvee and some others, well, I hope. So this is just initial Humvee, initial kit in a series of similar kits, and that makes sense. Why I bought it? I don't know, because of cool box art I guess, and I love ICM kits. Also, they produce their kits in conditions of war in Ukraine, so we can support it by purchasing their kits. Anyway, I'm preparing some stuff as a cargo for this Humvee, maybe even some features. So anyway, this Humvee will be much interesting, that in-box kit. So, hope you enjoy, good luck, have a nice day and bye guys.